Hey, hello guys. Welcome to a special episode of Action Reaction. I am not going to go ahead and review any figure today, but I just wanted to share some. Basically, I wanted to share a visit to a local toy store that I did. I mean, after visiting Targets and Walmarts and finding pegs and pegs of empty space, I just thought maybe I think it's an appropriate time to finally visit a proper toy store to get some of our toys. So with that, I was lucky and able to go to TC Rockets, that's here in San Diego, and I was able to find some, good toys. So I'm just doing this quick review to find or to tell you, what exactly I did find today. So I have in all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 or 7 figures. Start this one with the figure that I wanted for a long time. The figure belongs to this gentleman called Hawkman. So this, I believe, is some old generation figure. I do not know exactly who is the maker of this, but I found this to be a classic version of Hawkeye with all wings and his mace and, just looking extremely nice. Just look at that. If you know what figure, who made this, when was this figure released, kindly let me know. And I think the best feature of this are his wings, which open up and gives him a warrior angel-like look. I'm technically fan of more of the new 52 interpretation of Hawkeye, but this classic one serves its purpose. As the moment I saw it, I just fell in love with this. So this was our figure number 1. Next I go to the vision of DC Comics. That's the Red Tornado. So this is the figure. Yeah, and I found these figures sort of in a very reasonable range. I'll just not go ahead and discuss the price aspect of this because they are priceless. I love the way I love the way the work has been done on this Red Tornado. There's not a lot of articulation on this particular figure, but I do not plan to, put him in awesome pose. I think the pose that he comes in is very well and very good. Next, I go to this particular figure. This one was all the next 3 figures are in some way related to Zack Snyder's new Justice League. So the first figure comes from the storyline, I believe, Tomorrow Without Superman or something like that. I'll just correct that storyline and I'll try to put in. This belongs to the Cyborg Superman, and again, really old classic figure. And I do not know when McFarlane Toys plans to make a Cyborg Superman, but till then, I think this guy will work. And it's not an extreme detailing, but I believe this will be a very old figure. I like the S symbol on his chest and a good waving of the cape, but other than that, this is very reminiscent of the actual Cyborg Superman, or as we called him, he is called Cyborg Superman, the villain. I guess I have got just one villain. Next we go to the heart of Justice League. That's our favorite Martian, the Martian Manhunter, John Jones. And we have heard the rumors that we will be getting a version of Martian Manhunter in Zack Snyder's Justice League. So I think that's a good time for me to get this figure. Finally, one of the figures that I was trying to find a good figure. I had seen some of the replicas, they were not so good. To tell you frankly, I am a fan of Ben Affleck's portrayal of Batman, or Batfleck, right? That is very much underrated. I do not know why people hate him. Christian Bale was a different kind of Batman, but Ben Affleck in this particular world, in this ruthless world of Zack Snyder or DCEU, Ben Affleck portrayed Batman with a lot of vigor, he's basically an old broken man, so it is a version of Batman and Dark Knight Rises again. So I think Ben Affleck did a wonderful job, and this is the figure. It certainly towers, So the armored Batman from Batman vs Superman: Dawn of Justice. I think this is one of the underrated performances that Ben Affleck had done, and I'm really happy that he finally gets to do justice to that role, and finally people can see that he was not you know he was not appreciated when the Joss Whedon version of Justice League came in. Finally, my next figure, these two are the boxed figures. So I somehow found a retailer's exclusive of Superman from Justice. I believe there was a storyline Justice. So this says it's a DC Comics retailer exclusive. So I really wanted two figures that were on my radar. One was a figure which is Alex Ross inspired Justice from Justice. If that's better, because this is like a very good representation of Superman. And the other was, of course, the Kingdom Come Superman with the red and black Superman shield. So this, I think it's an exclusive. I think this is an exclusive. So this is sort of like a pissed off Superman from Justice. And I really liked it. I might open this. I'm not sure, because even though the box is all beat up, but I still feel that I should keep him within this box. I'm not sure. It says exclusive variant. I normally am an out of box collector, so I do not know, but I still have to pull the gun whether I'm going to put him out or not. And finally, the last figure that I got was not a old classic, but a new fan favorite that belongs to the Grim Knight. Yeah, so I have ordered this guy from Dockside, but for some reason I think their orders are delayed. I have already been charged for this, but I just do not know. I have to follow up with Dockside, but I just couldn't pass on the opportunity of finding him in the store and not getting him. I have waited for a long time now. I think with Grim Knight, the only Batman from the Dark Knights I'm waiting is the Aquamanish version of Lady Batman. I do not know. I'll put her name and everything in the comments, but yeah, I'm just waiting for that. So I guess I had a decent day. So a good haul is what I'll say. I have two Batmans. I have one Superman, one Bat Superman, a Hawkeye, Hawkman, which I love to death. This is my new favorite figure. I do not know why, but I just love this. A Red Tornado, a decent figure. I do not see anything wrong with it. And a Martian Manhunter. The only thing that is missing are the two banners that, I wouldn't say banners, the two emblems, the two circular emblems that go on with his cape. So other than that, a fruitful day. Thank you again for watching this, and this was my haul from today. Again, done this just because I got fed up with Target and Walmart having just those blank aisles of peg. So I think this was a good trip, and I'll try to, whenever I go out for these figure collection things, I'll just sort of put in this small videos to give you more information. So yes, Ash signing off. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.